Do you need a website, store, or a funnel for your small business, new idea, or a startup, but you're not a designer, marketer, or a developer? Worry no more. Introducing Kwikcart. Kwikcart is an all-in-one tool that lets you create your website from its 1,000 plus pre-made designs. Boost conversion with inbuilt apps and tools. And scale your store with industry-leading integrations. Integrate 50 plus payment gateways, 30 plus autoresponders, shipping integration, and CRM integration with all major platforms. Not only this, you get complete performance reports and analytics with full-fledged affiliate marketing system and multi-vendor system. So what are you waiting for? Start now and grow your business with Kwikcart today.